This is a video on how to use the Minnesota DNR trail maps. I've used a few different trail map apps, but always come back to Avenza maps. It's simple and it just works. All you do is download the maps from the Minnesota DNR website before you go. Avenza Maps doesn't need cell service to work, but you do need a device that has GPS. I use the free version that can only have 3 maps downloaded at a time. I delete the old maps before uploading new ones. Need to open Avenza Maps. We need to delete one of these maps so we can fit a new one in. Select. Delete. Yes, delete. Okay, now we need to go to the web browser. Type in Minnesota DNR. Recreation. Off-highway vehicle riding. An interactive map. Close the legend. Find the map you want. Get the name to show up. Click on the trail. Scroll down. Open the trail map. Upload the trail map. And select Avenza Maps. Trail's downloaded. It's ready to use. A blue dot will show up where your location is on the map when you're at the trail. It would be awesome if you'd hit the subscribe button and leave comments or questions below.